Welcome to Study Hub channel today. We are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic: how teachers are using artificial intelligence, especially in grading and lesson planning. Teaching is not just about explaining in the classroom. Teachers also have to check assignments, prepare report cards, and plan lessons for students. These tasks take a lot of time and effort, but now AI is making them much easier. Let's first talk about grading. Earlier, teachers had to check dozens of copies, read every answer, give marks, and prepare report cards. It used to take a lot of time, and sometimes human errors happened. Now what does AI do? AI tools like Gradescope, Turnitin, and Google Classroom features. They automatically scan the answers. MCQs and objective questions get checked instantly. Even essays and long answers are graded by AI based on grammar, relevance, and content quality. Teachers only need to do the final review. What's the benefit? Teachers save time. Students get quick feedback, and grading becomes more fair and accurate. Now, let's talk about lesson planning. Earlier, teachers had to prepare separately for every class, read books, make notes, and adjust according to the needs of students. Now AI helps. AI tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft, Copilot, and Khan Academy. They create full lesson plans in just a few minutes. They generate content according to subject, age group, and syllabus. If a student struggles with a topic, AI can also create personalized worksheets and practice questions. Teachers just add their creativity and deliver it. What's the benefit? Every student gets learning as per their need. Teachers don't have to make notes again and again, and classes become more engaging and interactive. But friends, can AI do everything? The answer is no. AI is just a tool. Real education happens when teachers bring their emotions, their experiences, and their human touch to the students. Sometimes AI can also give wrong information, so the teacher's role will always remain important. In the future, AI and teachers together will make education more effective and easier. So friends, today we learned how AI is helping teachers. Grading is becoming easier. Lesson planning is becoming smarter. What do you think? Will AI make learning better? Or are there also some risks? Write your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Thank you.